If you're building websites with AI and your website still look boring, you can save this video. So recently while building my project, I spent some time searching for interactive UI components, UI sections or animations which you can use inside your projects to make your website look more engaging and interesting. And here are some of the websites which I have found best till now. So the first one is Aceternity UI. If you want your website to look amazing and your components to look polished and expensive, you can look up to this website and search for amazing components. For example, here's one component which can make your card effects look 3D. And the next is watermelon.ui. So this website focuses on modern, minimal and fast components. So this is one of the websites I would look up to if I want my website not to be overloaded with animations but still want my website to look interactive and expensive. And then we have 21st.dev. So this one is basically a huge community-driven library component. So this is my personal favorite. If you are looking for any inspiration or any specific component, this is one of the places I'll check firsthand. The next one is Shadcn.studio. It has hundreds of ready-made Shadcn blocks which you can use as a template and starting point for your websites. This is especially useful when you're building dashboards, SaaS products or landing pages. The next in the list is React Bits. If you're working with React, check out React Bits. It has a lot of clean animated React components that you can import directly into your projects. This is probably one of my favorite right now in the list as I am working with a lot of React projects right now. And the sixth on the list is motionprimitives.com. If you want to add motion to your website without making your website look overloaded with animations, this is one of the websites which is worth it. You can find different motions, you can find different components and then use them as your building blocks. And coming up on our next website, which is fancycomponents.dev. If you want something little more experimental, check out Fancy Components. There are different kinds of components which you can use when you want your website to stand out instead of looking like another generic SaaS application. And then is Pro UI Layouts. So Pro UI Layout is a little bit different. So instead of giving you just single components, it focuses on providing complete layouts. So if you are starting a blank page and you have no idea on what kind of stuff you want to put on the page or what kind of animation you want to have on a page, this is that kind of website which would provide you a great inspiration or a great idea to start up a blank page. And the final website for the day, Component Gallery. This one is great when you are looking for design inspiration because it collects patterns from different design systems. So instead of searching for different of dozen approaches, you can find all the components and all the different patterns at one place only. And another important thing which I would like to conclude is that do not blindly copy each and everything you find on these websites. Before using any component, before using any layout, icon, font or any kind of animations, check if you are licensed to use that component, because you may find yourself in legal trouble if you just copy the component blindly. So these are some of the websites which I usually use whenever I need an inspiration or I need cool animation which I need to integrate in my websites. And honestly, you do not need to use 20 different kind of animations on one page. Sometimes all you need is a very good inspiration to make a website look completely different. Save this video, you'll probably need these websites next time whenever you are making another website. Until next time, keep building.